update vlog. Oh, Tanya and I are ready. She is bringing in Marvel's towel because it's gonna rain. And it's almost gonna be 1 o'clock. We have an appointment at 1 with the maternal fetal medicine department. So we are going for an appointment and we will update you guys once we are back. So let's go. Marvel, you take care of the house. You be a good boy. Mommy and Daddy will be back soon. Oh my gosh, such a big treat. Such a big treat Daddy got. Here. Alright, let's go.
You're not going.
Excuse me, sir.
You're not going.
Come on, inside. Come on. Come on,
inside.
baby. Come here. Come here, come on. Mommy, Daddy gotta go. I think he wants to see the baby too. It's okay, we'll show you the picture. Come on. Come on.
Bye, baby. Love
Good
you.
boy. Bye. We'll be back soon. Alright, we are here. Alright guys, so the best part is that we checked in. So we literally have to do nothing here. So Tanya and I are just waiting in the lounge. And there is gonna be an ultrasound technician who will do the ultrasound for her, and then we are gonna wrap up with the doctor. So we are super excited to see the baby again. Alright, we are done with the ultrasound and everything looks great. We'll give you more details and pictures, of course, after we reach home. For now, we are waiting for the blood test, and I think it's 20 minutes wait because we just picked the immediate appointment, like we are doing a walk-in, so we don't have to come back. So we have to wait for 20 minutes before the lab technician comes and takes her blood. Only if I would have recorded Tanya's reaction when her finger got pricked.
Oh.
It was super funny. She was like, oh! Like somebody literally just hit her so hard. Oh my god. Alright guys, so it's not even 2 o'clock, so we didn't even have to wait for 20 minutes. So good thing we walked in. We are all done with all our stuff. The results are gonna take between 7 and 10 days. So we are gonna pick something for her to eat and then head back home. Alright, we are home. Tanya picked lemonade. What else did you got?
Egg and cheese and a croissant.
And the
Hash
hash browns. They are like tiny baby hash browns. And because it's gonna rain, probably in a few hours, we have Marvel having his own fun. He's gonna poop over there. And we are enjoying a croissant. Alright, so here's a funny thing. We got our ultrasound and the baby is growing at a perfect rate and 2 days faster.
Yeah.
So she was like, oh, the baby is actually ahead of schedule, like 2 days ahead of, so the growth is really good and everything is really good. So when she said that, our first reaction, Tanya's first reaction was like, oh my god, that coincides with our anniversary, and we definitely don't want the baby to come on anniversary because, you know, birthday and anniversary, they don't go well together.
I'm gonna keep the baby inside and not let come out on 13.
And she was like, our ultrasound technician, she was like, oh, you can't control that, the baby will come out when he or she wants to come out. So we're like, yeah, we were just making fun of that actually. So that was really, really funny. And the baby was just chilling. We'll post a picture of the baby chilling somewhere here, so enjoy that picture. I think he's like me or she's like me, that's why she's just chilling with her hands back and super cool. Well, anyways, we are gonna enjoy this before it gets cold. Alright people, so sorry we are seeing you after quite a while. We had few errands to run and Tanya is a little low than normal days. She hasn't had quite a lot of nausea today because she started taking vitamin B6 that doctor recommended in certain dose with Unisum. But she's even taking a smaller dose than that because we had our appointment today and doctor said like in next 2 weeks it should be done because she is already at her 12th week almost. So it should be gone in the next couple of weeks, maybe 1 week. We don't know. But yeah, but for now she's taking it, so she didn't have a lot of nausea, but she had a lot of fatigue today, and I feel that's because she had lack of sleep maybe or something. So she's still lying down here, and Marvel is keeping her company, and I just finished cleaning up the kitchen. And you guys have to, if somebody works in Tanya's kitchen, it has to be Monica clean. So for anybody who does not know Friends, go watch Friends. I can't help you. If you don't know, I can't help you.
Did.
Well, if you don't know, I can't help you.
Well, I don't know.
Well, I can't help you.
So anyways, so this is all done, and like Tanya has told me that once you turn off these lights below the microwave, the kitchen is closed. You cannot cook anymore. So I have closed those lights. The kitchen is closed now for the day. Everything is done. And now I have to take this boy for a little pee-pee time outside real quick. And then we'll be heading upstairs for our night time. So anyways, those were all the updates from today. Everything was super cool. It was super cool to see the baby again. And like I told you guys, we are waiting on our test results. It's just general blood work. So I'll tell you more about it once the results are out, which will take between 7 and 10 days. Until then, so we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Till then, just stay connected, go enjoy our Instagram. And we have also started posting YouTube Shorts, which is a new thing that creators can do. So we are taking advantage of that, and we are also doing posts regularly, because I know we are not posting vlogs daily. A couple more weeks, guys, once Tanya is up and kicking, I'm telling you, then you are gonna get a lot more vlogs. So for now, we do post on our community tab, so please check it out. Community tab, you can see a lot of posts there. And we also are posting shorts, so you can at least still have some fun from the content that we are creating, like short videos. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. We are gonna see you in our next vlog, and until then,